Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah. Today I'm just gonna show you how to add a extension from Google Chrome. Actually using a Jungle Scout. It's not advertised by any chance, so I'm just kind of struggle how to add this extension from Google Chrome. So I'm just gonna show it to you how you can use it. Uh, since I already have it in my search, just type in Chrome Web Store, okay, and then you just click in on the Web Store. Right here, there is the you can see it here an extension, and then this is where you type. Uh, Jungle Scout is something I use for my e-commerce store, so you can, Jungle Scout extension. Uh, so, like what I was saying, it's something I use to search product and product key. So again, this is not advertised by any chance. So I just click here since I already added. For me, it's gonna say remove from the Chrome, but for you guys, if this is the first time using it, it will show you to say add the extension. And then once you add it, it will pop up here as an extension. It will show it to you. You can also ping, which I did, the product. Once you start doing that, it will actually take you to a Jungle Scout if you have pretty much account with them, or you can sign up. I don't have a coupon or some discount I can give it to you. It's not advertisement, but you could log in. Which since I have account, as soon as I logged in, it will take me straight to the Amazon account, which is that's the one I connected for now. And from here, using the extension, I can able to see product profitability. So you can just click in. I have not searched too much into it, so this is just something I'm showing to you. And you can see this product and say, hey, how much would say you can come over here, use the extension, and then Jungle Scout will pretty much work with you to see what is the product look like and how much you can, how much the average price should look like, um, average month sale, you know, average price. You can sell it 26 and 80 and it's ranked at 4. So there's more a lot deep into it if you are willing, if you are interested doing the Jungle Scout. But for me, this is just good enough. And just I was having a hard time to add this Jungle Scout extension. So again, for any extension you would like to use, you can just go back to the extension and then type for whatever extension you want, and then just add it to your ping in here. All right. Thank you so much. I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.